So today I'm going to Michael's to see if I can find those drawers that are dupes for the Alex drawers in from IKEA. So yeah, I'm just sorry I don't have the camera facing to me. I just don't have a tripod. So I mean, I don't have a little thing to hold my phone. So but yeah, we're gonna head over to Michael's. So I just got back from Michael's, and look, I only paid $54 for 2 drawers that I'm gonna turn into my vanity, and she discounted 15% off each one. The coupon was only for today, so that's why I had to rush over here and get it, for the price. I saved $169 and I only paid $54.11 for 2 drawers. So I did buy these. I bought these because I liked how the shape was, and I think it'll look better. And these are 6 inches. Since the drawers are 24 inches and I'm a tall girl, I don't want, it to be so low. And I will be painting these white. We'll be painting these white. So I got these for these. And I got for these heavy duty top plate. That way your desk is more secured. And yeah, and that was a total of $27.53. Okay, so here my dad's looking at the instructions to set up the drawers. Okay, so if you're gonna get these drawers, I would recommend for you to organize all the pieces by the letters, and that'll make it a lot easier for you when you're setting it up. And that's what we're doing right now. Once you start building this, I recommend for you to start with the base. That way it's a lot easier for everything just to come together. Okay, so I did get this board at Lowe's. It was $19.97, and the size was 16 inches by 65. That's how big I wanted my table, but you can make it to however big you want it or however small you want. And here my dad's gonna cut it because it was just too long, so he's gonna cut it for us. Also, I forgot to mention I did buy plexiglass at Lowe's, but that was a little bit more expensive. It was about $60. Okay, and this is the old mirror that we have. I'm gonna use it for my vanity. So for this part, my dad is going to cut the mirror, the top of the mirror, because that's not the look I was going for my vanity. And he's just measuring out exactly what he's gonna cut, and he's cutting it right now. So for this part, we will be sanding the mirror just so the white paint is more vibrant. Okay, so this is the paint that I got. I got Valspar Signature Ultra White. With this spray, and then we're gonna paint it with white paint. Okay, so I ordered these lights on Amazon. They're $19.